Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do motion tracking using After Effects. Motion tracking is one of the most useful techniques, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, import our clip into the bin. After importing the clip, drag it onto the timeline. As you can see, I am using a car stock video, and I want to create a callout that follows the movement of the car throughout the shot. Now, instead of working directly inside Premiere Pro, we are going to send this clip to After Effects. Select the clip, right-click on it, and choose Replace with After Effects Composition. This allows us to use the powerful tracking tools available in After Effects while still keeping everything connected to Premiere Pro. Once you click on it, let After Effects open automatically. Now here in After Effects, you can see that I have my car video ready. The next step is to create the motion track on this car. If the tracker panel is not visible on your screen, don't worry. Simply go to the Window menu and enable Tracker from there. Next, double-click on the video layer to open it inside the Layer panel. This is important because tracking works inside the Layer panel. Once you're here, click on Track Motion, and a tracking point will appear on the screen. Now we need to place this tracking point carefully. The best place is usually an area with strong contrast because After Effects can follow it more accurately. Once the tracking point is positioned correctly, click on Analyze Forward. After Effects will now start analyzing the movement frame by frame and generate tracking data for the entire clip. While the tracking process is running, keep an eye on the tracking point. Sometimes it can drift away from the object, especially if the movement is fast or if the object becomes blurry. If that happens, simply press the spacebar to pause the analysis, manually reposition the tracking point, and continue the tracking process. Doing this ensures that your tracking remains accurate from start to finish. Once the tracking is completed, go back to the timeline, right-click, and create a null object. Now return to the tracker panel and click on Edit Target. Select Null 1 as the target layer and press OK. After that, click Apply and choose to apply the tracking information to both the X and Y coordinates. At this point, all the tracking data has been transferred successfully to the null object. If you move through the timeline, you'll notice that the null object is now following the exact movement of the car. Now let's create the text that we want to track. I'll create a new text layer and type subscribe like. As you can see, nothing happens yet. The text remains stationary because it is not connected to the tracking data. To fix this, we need to link the text layer to the null object. Using the Parent and Link option, connect the subscribe like text layer to null 1. The moment you do that, the text inherits all the movement information from the null object. And just like that, the motion tracking is complete. As you can see, the text now follows the movement of the car naturally, creating a professional-looking callout effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what After Effects tutorial you'd like to see next.